We asked her about how you guys have been during the filming of this particular film. Filming na film pa. Sorry. Ayun. Dennis, Maha said that siguro you made an effort for you to get a little bit closer kasi nga, since you are actually working on this project. And then, Sir Richard, sabi ni Maha, you didn't get to talk that much during the project, but your role is very pivotal. All her decisions would probably end up because you did something for her to actually decide on this film. Siguro, can you tell us about how your character will deal with Maha on this film, and how do you think of her personally?
Siguro, we can also yung connection lang ng character kasi baka may
Okay. And then, I mean, yung expectations niyo first, before you met Maha, and when you met Maha, ano ang parang, oh, ganito pala si Maha. Okay.
Actually, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-usap ni Maha during the whole filming of this movie because limited yung time namin. Nagkikita kami when we were on the set already. But we worked together before, so we've traveled together before. So we've been friends for 4 years na siguro. From my Binong the Girl pa. We worked together, so we know each other. So there was wala naman ilangan or anything because there's the rapport already.
She played your daughter in My Binong the Girl.
Actually, parang claiming to be my daughter, pero hindi naman pala. She was my secretary or assistant in that.
I remember. And
ako naman po, natuwa ako na nung nalaman ko ng mga katrabaho siya dahil meron kami mga projects dati na nakaplano pero hindi po natuloy and finally ngayon natuloy. And naaliw ako sa kanya dahil kahit na meron siyang everyday yung work niya talaga, hindi nawawala yung enthusiasm niya at saka yung energy pagdating sa set dahil siguro talagang ganun siyang napaka-professional niya na kahit pagod siya hindi niya pinapakita and talagang nag-excel siya bawat eksena. Nakakatuwa rin na very pleasant siya and approachable pag may mga eksena kaming mahirap na gagawin. Talagang napag-uusapan namin kung paano namin gagawin. Kaya very happy to work with her.
Maha also mentioned that she learned a lot from you because your kind of attack on the role is very methodical. And she saw that you kind of scribbled on the script. You know, you put highlighters on almost everything. You put markers on it. So yan ang medyo hindi pa niya nakikita sa other actors. What do you think Maha has na you think is like an advantage for people to work with her, for people who got to work with her? Anong meron si Maha, you think?
Siguro yung pagiging niya, beautiful inside and out. Hindi lang panlabas parang pag nakilala mo siya, napakabait niya, lagi siyang nagkukwento, share ng pagkain, lagi siyang masaya. Kaya napakagaan niyang katrabaho at napakaswerte ko na nakatrabaho ko siya.
And Sir Chief, with regards to working in this project po, since parang medyo May-December affair po yung nangyari sa inyo ni Maha.
Hindi rin naman masyado.
Pero of course you do.
Oh, that's joking.
Ayan. Ano po yung parang thought ninyo sa mga ganitong kinds of relationships? Is this like taboo for you, or is it like okay? It's not really a matter of.
It depends on the situation. If you both are single and fancy-free siguro, and it's the right time. I don't think age is hindrance to a relationship because you've seen lots of relationships that have lasted a long time kahit na yung age gap ang laki. Meron naman din